Hey guys, I got a new Lego or Lego based type of brick, and it is the Mould King Ghostbusters Ghost Bus. Yeah. It's kind of like a comic version of the Ghost Mobile, the Ecto one. I thought it looked pretty cool. So I got it on AliExpress. It was $15 for 636 pieces. Good luck getting Lego to hook you up with those prices. Anyway, I've barely opened the box, so I thought we could take a look inside. It's got this super cute little tiny manual. It's so small. And it's got one little sticker sheet here, as you can see, but then just a little baby tiny manual. 92 pages. It's 148 steps, but pretty good. It's got, I think it actually has numbered bags. Yeah, look, number 1 up to 6 I'm seeing. Nope, 8. Maybe even more. Yeah, well, 8. But that's pretty good. And so here's all the stuff. And I'm gonna get to building. Maybe I'll let you guys follow along. But this is it. The cute comic looking Ecto 1. It's kind of like a hot rod version of it. That's why I got it, because it just looks like a cool version of it. So let's see what happens. Alright, so I'm this far in. Definitely its own unique kind of build. And in the instructions, you know, they say to open the bags in order, but I had to open bag number 2 like immediately on the very first step. And now we're approaching bag number 3 because this and this is not here, but no indication saying, hey, open bag number 3 now. So you definitely need to be aware of that. You just kind of open the bags as you need them, it seems. But overall, interesting little build. Some unique building processes. And another thing is the tires don't actually go all the way to the edge of the wheels. The wheels stick out on each side, in and out. So that's kind of interesting. Maybe it's because of the cool mag wheels that they have or something. And it's supposed to be like that, but I don't know. I just thought that was kind of interesting. So, yeah, that's where we're at so far. And now we've opened bag 4, even though I had all these pieces left. But here's where we are. We have like an engine, which is cool. I bet this will be where the hood attaches. And we're building the front grille now, as you can see. We got a rolling chassis and a steering wheel that doesn't spin. It's stuck up. That's how stuck it is. But, you know, it's not like you'll be able to reach in there and steer anyways. This is about the size of it. This is my hand next to it, so a little longer than my hand. Yeah, so starting 4, I guess, even though, again, there was no indication. It was just in the middle of this step here, I had half the pieces and not the other half, so interesting way to do things. Alright, looking like a car. I guess we've got windshield wipers, and yeah, I was right about the hood. It opens and closes, reveals the engine. We've got the front on here. And again, it's still rolling, so coming together, more pieces going, but a nice little build here. And I've just opened bag 5, and I'm about halfway through the book here. This is what the vehicle looks like, definitely taking shape. Got our whole front end, but we're building a lot of interior and rear. So that's exciting, but yeah. Bag 5 looks like this. We had these left over from previous bags. Let's do this. Okay, this is where bag 6 begins. This is where we are with the vehicles. We've got some body shaping going on. Lots of interesting bits went into this, as you can see. Pretty intricate, but I think I'm gonna take a break and leave something for tomorrow. So that's gonna be my time for now. Catch y'all tomorrow. And it's the next day now. Hey, so let's see where we are. It looks like this. Package 6, step 90, and the car. Where we got one side more than the other. We've got our front with our opening hood, and this is what the other side looks like in the rear. So coming together, but still a bit to go. Let's get building. Oh, it's a door. Ah, very clever. I wonder if that's gonna happen on the other side. Yeah, probably. Cool. It has opening doors. What Lego Speed Champion scale car has had opening doors yet, huh? That's pretty impressive. Alright, hold on, let's... Yeah, see? Put it on the door. Now we'll build the trunk, which also looks like it opens. So many opening orifices. Yep, there it is. Open. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Opening. One-handed. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Look, see? Opening trunk. Woo! Let me just squish it back and focus. Oh no, it did it again, but you get the idea. I'm gonna fix it. Alright, so the tolerances are quite small, and really it's because of these guys. They can sort of bend a little bit, so you gotta get them just right. But look, ta-da! It opens and closes, no problem. Wow. And that, and that. Look at this, man. There is not a single Speed Champion that does all this and has a friggin' engine inside like that. Well, maybe an engine, but you can't see it. Pretty cool. Oh boy, I'm excited now. All right, step 7 bag is ready. We are here in the instructions, and here is where we are. So we've got nearly a full car coming. We've got our opening trunk and both wings. We've got little accessories here. Added the part of the door panels. So coming together. Let's keep building. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Got an open door, open door, open door, open hood. This thing opens, baby. And look, you could probably fit multiple minifigures in here. This did not come with any, but I do have the big Ghostbusters car that don't think came with any either. So maybe I can just put some other guys in there, but uh-oh, I think I'm missing this. I'll find it, don't worry, but we got under together. Wow, it's like all the way over here. Look at this. It goes like this. Cool. Alright, so an interesting way of doing the windows, as you can see, was a sideways build attached to these interlocking bits here. They're not supposed to go like this, they stay like this, but we've got a front windshield and a back windshield. I just thought it was an interesting build. It does work, it looks legit. But yeah, definitely different. So just wanted to throw that out there. But coming along. Okay, final bag number 8. This is our car, and we are building the roof, which we'll just, I guess, slap on top here nicely. Looks like it comes off pretty easily from these 4 studs here. And yeah, we're building, and then that's probably gonna be it. So get ready. And then the very final thing is the stickers. I'm probably not gonna do any of the mud, but I'm gonna throw these on and the license plates. So catch up in a sec. All right, so what do we have? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, this thing is actually super impressive. I think it looks really, really good. Rolls nicely. Has all these extra features that you don't get in the regular Speed Champions. Now look, this would happen with Lego too, since it's only held on with the 1 bit. But speaking of which, if you think getting an off-brand non-Lego is gonna be an issue, for the most part these days, it's just not, okay? I wasn't missing any pieces. In fact, I have extra, just like a regular Lego kit. All the pieces fit together nicely. They all felt really nice. They have a nice grip and everything like that. And, I mean, even this close, you can't tell these aren't not Lego. The only difference is it doesn't say Lego on the little studs. That's it. Otherwise, this is identical, and you save so much money. I got this for $15, whereas Lego, $40, $50 for this special kit, maybe more. 636 pieces. Yeah, I mean, this is a steal. It looks great. It is everything you could ask for. I couldn't be happier. That's it. I mean, I'm gonna put the stickers on now. I'll show you that. But this is great. I'm very satisfied. I couldn't be happier. Lego needs to watch out because the competition is getting fierce. All right, final look. We've got the stickers. Basically, without all the mud, it was just a couple of ghost stickers and the license plates. But my goodness. This thing is fantastic. Could not be happier. And again, we've got all the opening orifices, okay? Even the rear one still opens and closes. No problem. This is awesome. There's room inside for multiple minifigures. The roof comes off very easily because it's only connected by the 4 studs, so you can put a lot in here. Goes right back on. Like so. Boom. I mean, and again, this is only held, but it's good. It's fine. I mean, come on. Get it. AliExpress, I'll put a link down below. Hope you enjoy. I recommend this. I think it looks great. I think it's awesome. Alright, catch you in the next one. Bye.